So now we are going to talk about document proposal and the web proposal. So I'll just open both of the things. So once I click on document proposal, it opens up in a new window. And let's say we will open a web proposal as well. So both the things will open separately. These things, like I'll explain you the whole things, like where you can edit your things, like your company details and other things. So in the document proposal, you will find it in a report format where you will where you have few of the things like this is a document proposal, as you can see in the URL as well. It's app.solarlabs document proposal and the design name. Then proposal summary, here you will find lifetime savings and payback period, and like total cost that you have incurred. Then you will have modify proposal, so you can download the report or send it to the customer in 3 templates that we have. One is default template, which you can see it over here right now. Then there's theme 2, which you can have it in landscape or portrait format. So I'll show you both. So in landscape mode, theme 2 will look something like this. Let's say if I want to see it in portrait, it would be something like this. So likewise, you can change it for your customer, and you can make him make the report more personalized by changing the color theme according to your company's color theme. Then you can also select or deselect the pages that you want to show to the customer or you don't want to show to the customer. You can select it here and update it. So once we update it, in the first page you will have project name, then the kilowatt size, the address, and the latitude and longitude. Here you will have a 2D image of the model that you have made. Then if you will share this with the customer, it will show you it will show the customer that he can click here to view the 3D model. So once he clicks it over here, I'll just open it in a new tab. Once he clicks it over here, and the 3D model is generated for the customer, he can see it from any angle that he wants to see, and he can zoom it at any level that he wants to do. Also, what he can do is a shading effect check, like we did it for sun simulation. So he can check it for June 21st for a quick view, June 21st and December 21st, morning and evening. For the whole year, he can also toggle this bar, and he can see it for the whole year in that case. Then also customer can see the same heat map and the solar access onto the rooftop. So let the both get here. So here you can see like which panels are behaving how. So the green panels are mostly the high efficiency or high performing panel sets. So here you can see like no panels are in red zone. So basically the panel that you have placed for the customer is more optimized. So this is all about the 3D WebLink, which is kind of a USP as well, which will also become an USP for you when you show it to the customer, because he has a user experience when he sees his building in 3D and how the panels will look like. Then let's come to the document proposal once again. In the second page of the document proposal, you will have this about us. So you can write about your company and your company details over here. Then in system metrics, you will find the production details, the specifications like DC size, AC size, load ratio, and which weather file you have used. Then the estimated savings page, where you can see that how would be the savings for the customer for the next 25 years, and it is shown in the graphical format as well. So once you hover the cursor from each bar, so it will show you like in which year you are saving how much. So as you can see, in 12th year you can save this much over here. Then components, as we added modules, then inverters, structures, then handrails of how much meters, then safety line, walkways, and DC cable. DC cable was added separately, so it has come up over here in the report as well. So in the next page, you will have annual production, how the production varies for January to December, and then monthly savings according to the production, how the monthly savings will vary. Then monthly table data, where you can see like what is the direct irradiations, diffused irradiation, specific generation month wise, and like annual wise as well over here. Then there's field segment where you can see like sub-array 1 is placed at which tilt, how much of azimuth, row spacing is how much, and what is the frame size. This helps the site engineers and the customer as well, like if are the panels placed in a proper way or not. Then there's shading analysis for June 21st and December 21st, and here you can see like the panels are shadow free for the 99.55% of the solar time throughout the year, and this you can verify by showing them the heat map and the solar access. Then system production losses, like all the losses will be. Then there is a very interesting page of cost of not going solar. So there's a bill comparison with solar and without solar. So in the gray there is bill with solar, bill without solar. In blue line it's you will see like how the variations would be, and then environmental impact like carbon dioxide offset, equivalent acres that can be forest equivalent acres of forestation that can be done, and the coal burn that can be avoided. Over here there is a very interesting feature called accept and sign, where you can send it to your customer to sign it as well. The customer will put his name, let's say I'm putting my name as Udit Kumar, then email ID as Udit at this solarlabs.com, and I can either draw it or upload it over here. So upload option is over there and draw option is also over there. Let's say I'm doing a signature and accept it. So once it's accepted, it will show as accepted in our document proposal, and both parties like the customer and the company will also receive the confirmation mail. Then in the web proposal, it's something like which is shown on web. So how the solar project, it's about solar project proposal, and it's a rooftop project of this much kilowatt. Then this much of savings will happen in CO2 tons. So basically this much carbon emissions will be reduced. Then it's prepared for the person and who has prepared it. Then company overview, you can write about your company, you can upload your projects photos over here. Then you will have your own logo. Also you can the customer will be able to see the building over here itself and the shading effect and the irradiation effect. Also you will be able to see the components, then the orientations. Then he will be able to see the estimated savings and the annual production just by toggling this bar. You will be able to see this. Then you can see like how PV can be as an asset. So here you will see it as a savings, and here also you can toggle on this bar graph and you will see like how much the person would be saving year on year basis for next 25 years. Then there's bill compared without solar and with solar, and warranties over here if you want to provide some warranties onto the modules and inverters. Then installation roadmap can be made according to your choice. Then frequently asked questions is there, and summary and approvals are there. So the customer can accept and sign over here as well. So if he wants to put his name and accept it, he can do this. So this is all about web proposal and document proposal. In document proposal as well, you can edit it with your own logo. For authentication purpose, we have kept generated with Solar Labs. So to change your logo, as I showed you at the start as well, like in the organization settings, you can set your organization profile of your team, FAQs and previous projects. So you can set it over here. Then in the next video that we are going to talk about is very important, which is customer support. So as a company, as a solar SaaS provider, which provides you the software, it's very important for us to be a customer centric, and we provide quality support to you. So in the next video we will just talk about it. Stay connected with us.